is the rainwater downpipe. I cannot change to the next slide. Okay, this is the taking off list of the rainwater downpipe. The first one is the rainwater goods, and so because we got the two type of the gutter, so the bottom one and the top one is the same thing, just different type. The next. This one also the rainwater goods. Next. Next one. The first is the gutter. So the gable mid-steel box gutter, the solder, stem, and other necessary fixing accessories all specific. And the overall 200 mm times 180 mm height gutter screw to gutter bracket. The cross is the Q.5.1, and we need to measure the length of the gutters and then put inside, then using the meter. Next. And next is the extra over 100 mm diameter rainwater gutter for stop end, and cross is the Q.5.3. And the drawing we can show where is the stop and end, and measure in number. Okay, next. Next. So next one is the detail of rainwater outlet, including with spout head, measure number, and then the cross is the same Q.5.3. Like show in the drawing where is the spout head. Yeah. So next. Next. Next is the detail approval balloon grating fixed to top of 100 mm nose outlet, measure in number, and the cross is Q.5.3. This we can take the quantity from the rainwater outlet, because every spot out got the balloon grating is the same number. Next one. Next is the different type. This is the second type of the gutter. Overall 150 millimeter times 100 millimeters high gutter screwed to gutter bracket in meter. The cross is Q.5.1. So we need to add together, then put inside. Next. Next is the second type extra over 100 mm diameter rainwater gutter for stop and measure in number. Also show where is the second type extra over the stop end, where is the stop end, second type. And then next. So this is the ditto rainwater outlet, including with spout head. So also show in the drawing. Measure in number, and then the cross is Q.5.3. Next. Next is the second type, ditto approval balloon grating fixed to top of 100 millimeter north outlet, measured in number, and also can take quantity of the rainwater outlet. Next is the pipes. So the plastic polyethylene pipe to BS4576 and joined in accordance with manufacturer installation as described. 100 millimeter diameter rainwater downpipe fixed to brick wall with bracket at 700 mm centers. Then measure in meters, and then the cross is Q.8.1 and Q.8.4. And then this got three type of pipes. So we divided it and then add together the total meter. And the H1 and H2 is the same shape, but the H2 is more shorter, and the H1 is more longer, and the H3 is the straight into the ground. Okay, next. Next one is the extra over 100 mm times 100 mm diameter pipes of swan neck, measure in number, and then the cross is Q.8.6. And we already measure where is the swan neck, and then the red color with I circle one is because the swan neck is just a swan neck only. They it don't have a extend one to the ground. It's just through to the gutter. Okay, next. Next is the ditto of 100 times 100 mm times 100 mm band, measure in number, cross is Q.8.6. So we to times together times 2, because this is same thing but two sides. Okay, next is the ditto of shoe, measure in number, cross is Q.8.6. This one can take quantity of rainwater down pipe and refer to the total number of rainwater down pipe, and this A, the same number. So we assume all the shoes are installed below the ground level. Next I will pass to my team member Kam. So that's all my part. Thank you.
So it's me again. So I will be presenting the reflection and conclusion. Conclusion will be later introduced by Qing Feng. So next.